and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be decorating my room for Christmas. And I know it's like mid-November, so some of you guys might be saying that it's a little bit too early to decorate for Christmas, but I love enjoying the holidays as much as I can. So since we already had Halloween and Thanksgiving, I figured why not? We have a month and a half left pretty much, so I figured I would just kind of start decorating my room and just enjoy it. So I do have some like bigger like nutcracker type things that I'm going to put around my room, and then we're going to be doing the Christmas tree that kind of just goes in the corner here at the very end, which is like my favorite part because I love decorating it. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So you get an idea of my Christmas decor. So I kind of have like this gold silver kind of thing going on. I do have these two boxes that they were my grandmother's with some of her ornaments, so I'm going to be adding those to my tree. And then I have all of these really pretty ornaments that I'll show you guys when I actually put up the tree. So this part of my room is a little bit busy as it is, but I kind of wanted to put this one here because it's the tallest one. So I thought maybe I could put it like beside my like friend there. That looks nice. I really want to put these ones on my night table, I think, but I feel like I have to get rid of one of these frames or it'll be like way too much. Does that look too empty? Although my phone usually goes there. Okay, how would these look behind the nutcracker? Let's see. This and the harp matches like really nicely, so I'm kind of into that. Oh, that looks kind of nice too. Oh, I don't know. What do you guys think? That's not gonna work. So I also have some of this garland, and I usually tie that like around my bed, like all along the bottom part, so I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm done putting around all the decorations, so I'll show you guys that when it's all done at the very end. And now I'm going to start working on the tree. And okay, the situation with the tree is that it goes in this corner here. It just kind of like hugs around a little bit. But the thing is, last time that I put up my tree, I didn't have this garland rack, so I'm not really sure how that's going to work out. So I'm gonna go around and just kind of like fluff up all these branches because it looks a little limp and like Charlie Brown tree. I actually got this tree a few years ago at Walmart for like $20. It was like such a bargain. So obviously it's not the most full tree, but you guys are gonna see how we're gonna transform it and make it look really full and luxurious, even though it's only a $20 tree. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Now I'm just gonna put the Christmas lights and the decorations, and it's gonna be fabulous. You guys just wait. And now for the most annoying part, the Christmas lights. I hate putting up the Christmas lights. It always gets so tangled and it's just like so annoying. Hope I can do this without making a huge mess. Okay, let's power it up and see how uneven these lights look. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's actually not bad. That looks like fairly even, right? So the first thing that I like to add is some garland. So I'm just going to spiral that all around the tree. And I know I don't have enough garland to fill it in like too much. So I have to use it like really sparingly and just kind of like really spread it out. Because I have a lot of ornaments, so it's not like I need more of it. So in this box, I have my grandmother's Christmas pearls from her Christmas tree. So I thought that would look really nice on my tree. It just matches my aesthetic really well. So I figured I would add these two. Okay, so we're gonna start with the ornaments. So the way that I like to decorate the tree is I like to start out with these kind of small, clear, and white little ornaments, and I like to fill them in on like the inside of the tree. It's gonna add a lot of dimension, especially if you have a tree that has really sparse parts like this one. So this is just gonna add a lot of layers to the Christmas tree instead of it just being like flat on top with all the ornaments on it. It doesn't really matter if you can't really see them all that well, because that's why I'm choosing all the plain ones to do that. But I just love the effect that it gives. I think it just kind of adds like so much dimension to it. So even if you add two ornaments to the same branch but just like further back, like that's fine. Like it doesn't really matter. Okay, so that's what that looks like. You can't really see them because it's just gonna add a little bit of filler on the inside. And I'm gonna do a similar thing with these ones. So I have a bunch of these. I don't think I'm gonna end up using all of them, but I'm just gonna start with one tube and kind of see how much that fills up, because I do have a lot of like statement ornaments that are the ones that kind of go on the top layer so you can actually see them. So these are my statement ornaments. So these are the ones that are not simple. So I have these ones that are like more of like a feathery kind of looking ones. I have some like masks, and my favorite ones are these ballerinas that I have. I have a few colors of these, and these are my absolute favorite. I even love the ones that have like a little feathery piece to it. I think it just kind of adds a lot of like fluff to the tree. I have some ornaments that are a little bit bigger than the usual, so I kind of try and look for like a big hole, just because obviously you want to fill up any empty spaces. So like here as an example, that just kind of fills up that hole. I also really love these ones that have a clip on them. I feel like it just kind of adds like so much to the tree. I usually like to add these near the bottom just because it just kind of fills up this whole space, so it just kind of clips on and just fills up that entire area. I do have this one box of ornaments from my grandmother that has all of these really beautiful ornaments that match perfectly, so I'm gonna add these in as a final touch. So as you can see from behind me, the tree is all set up and pretty much everything is done, but I wanted to show you guys a little tour and how it all turned out. But as you can tell from this lighting, it is pretty much nighttime, so I won't be able to really show you, but you guys can enjoy the little glow behind me. It looks so pretty. I have a box left over of these gold ones, so I'm thinking of just kind of hanging it at the end of my bed because there's enough for each little like space. So I'm probably gonna do that without you guys, and then I'll just show you guys the final result tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I'm so excited to show you guys my entire room. I did make a few changes since the last time that I saw you, so I'm excited to show you some of the new additions that I added. I'll try and do some like B-roll clips as well, but I'm going to take you on a little bit of like a walking tour. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have the tree here, like literally right in front of you with the garment rack on the side. And this is what the tree looks like when it's all lit up in the daytime. This one here is one of my favorite ornaments. It was my grandparents' ornament, and I just think it's like so pretty. There's like 3 of them scattered around the tree. There you can see the really beautiful star at the very top, and you have the entire tree, but the really fun magical part is the bottom. So here I just have this wooden horse. I recently got that at HomeSense and I'm like in love with it. It looks like so vintage and just really fun. And then at the bottom I just have like these designer bags just kind of like scattered randomly. On the other side, I just have this really cute little vintage looking bear, which I kind of thought that it matched really nicely with the horse. So this is what I mean about giving the tree some dimension. So here there's like an empty hole that would be really empty in the back there, but since I put this ornament like really further back there, it just kind of fills it up without it being like in your face. So moving on from the tree, here's a little overview of the rest of the room. So on this nightstand, I just have the one nutcracker. I love this one. He has a bit of a battle scar on him. I'm pretty sure I got him for like $2 or something at Walmart. But I think he's really great and it just matches with the colors like perfectly. As well as on the end of my bed, you guys saw me put all the garland on the very end there, and I just think that looks super pretty. And then I also added these little ornaments just kind of like dangling there because I had some left over and I thought my tree looked fairly full, so I just added them there. Then on my main night table, I just have the nutcrackers with the harp. I think that the harp just kind of makes the nutcrackers stand out a little bit more, as well as the shape of the harp is really similar to the handles on the lamp. So I really like that. So this is what this area is looking like. Yes, I am air playing a fake fire so that this looks a little bit cuter. But this is what I ended up doing with this area. So I ended up putting the tree here as well as the light here. I thought it looked really cute together, especially with this. Ignore this nutcracker. This is actually like a wall plug from Bath & Body Works that I haven't plugged in yet. And then on the bottom of this, I just have the little like garland type thing from my grandmother, so it has like some fruit on it and like some pine cones and like little like ornaments that I think just look really cute there. So it just adds like a nice little pop of color. And if you're wondering what this place looks like at night, this is literally me last night, and it was just so cozy, so I kind of closed my shutters like really tightly so that it would be really dark in here. And I'm going to show you how warm and cozy it looks. So this is what I see from the TV if I'm actually playing that fireplace. And then this is what the tree looks like. It just adds so much light and warmth. And look at the horse! Tell me the horse doesn't look magical there. I'm like obsessed with it. I love the way this ornament looks. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. I did want to mention I am going to be doing some holiday inspired videos, so I wanted to get some of you guys' opinions. So let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see, as well as if you guys want me to do Vlogmas. I was thinking of doing it. I didn't do it last year, but I have done it previous years. So I'm thinking of doing Vlogmas, same format that I did it before. So I would film every single day and then upload it on the Sunday for like the entire week instead of actually uploading every single day. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. It would be like an additional video, not instead of my regular content. So now I'm probably gonna make some coffee, maybe watch a Christmas movie. Oh, let me know what your favorite Christmas movie is also in the comments below. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!